This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides and the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to get 4 great productivity tips to use in Google Docs. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. The first tip that I have for anybody using Google Docs is to use it in Google Chrome. Do not use other browsers, even though most features do work in browsers like Safari and Firefox. But I've found that Google Chrome supports the most features for Google Docs. And if you use another browser, such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Safari, some features will not work at all. And actually, I'm going to be showing you one of the features later on. It's one of my productivity tips. So that was tip number 1. Tip number 2 is take advantage of these fantastic templates that are right on the Google Docs home screen. They have everything from like consulting agreements to resume templates. If you don't see what you're looking for, just click on Template Gallery and it will expand it. You can scroll through until you find what you're looking for, but this can really save you a lot of time instead of trying to cook up something from scratch. So tip number 3, direct upload to Google Docs. And Google Docs made it kind of hard to find this feature, and some people they actually upload through Google Drive, but I like just using the file picker. It's this folder looking icon. Click on that and then you can just do upload and then drag a file right there from your desktop. And for instance, if it's a PDF or a Microsoft Word file, you can open it up in Google Docs. So that's tip number 3. Let's cancel out of that. And then tip number 4 is offline editing. This is really a huge productivity tip because let's say that you're on an airplane and they're not allowing use of Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi is not good enough to be actually working on a doc. You can use offline editing in Chrome to work on your document, and then the next time you're within range of Wi-Fi or a network, it will update to your master Google account. To activate offline editing, go to this menu up here, the main menu. It looks like 3 lines. Click on that and then click Settings. And then you'll see there's a toggle for offline. Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. And just select the toggle. You'll say setting up offline. It might take a little bit of time to get going, and then you hit OK. And basically those are my 4 productivity tips for Google Docs. If this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow me, I'd be very grateful. Also, if you go to our official website, we have many more guides related to technology, including Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Twitter, all kinds of topics. It's available at in30minutes.biz or in30minutes.com. This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.